This product was sent to me by the brand and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. This is the Ella Edding Castor Oil, a cold press, unrefined oil package in a dark glass bottle. Let me show you the texture. It has a rich and thick consistency, which make it great for targeted application. I personally use to use this on my hair and skincare routine. For the hair, I apply a small amount on my scalp and massage. You can also use this on brows and lashes, and I apply a very small amount and use it as clean point at night. For skin, this oil is deeply moisturizing. I really appreciate that it comes in glass packaging to help preserve the oily quality. Overall, this is versatile, multi-use oil. It works for hair, skin, and beauty routine. If you're looking for castor oil with simple ingredients, this is one to consider.